Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Elden Ring game is crashing or crash on startup. Guys, first solution is start this command only if crash on startup. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Elden Ring game, then just go to your game properties. Now here you will see the launch option, just type here -dx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your game is crashing, then just type here -dx12, now launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just type your -d3d11. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing or crashing on mid game, then just remove this launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing or crash on startup, so go to the install files and just click on the verify, integrate your game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, so make a right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager, go to the startup application and just disable all the applications you are seeing. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and interfere with your game and causing the crashing issues or the crash on startup. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and disable these, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just click on the browse option and simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it, go to its properties, go to the compatibility tab. Now just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, then just click on apply. Now last thing, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of disable, click on the apply option. Now launch thing, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now just click on the apply option. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing or crash on startup, so the next solution that you can try is update your Windows. Go to your Windows set, type here the updates and open it. Guys, simply click on the check for update option and update your Windows, and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. So once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And I hope one of these solutions fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye.